Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2008 Honda Odyssey alternator. Disconnect the negative battery cable, then remove the engine cover and battery if needed. Gather a 10mm and 12mm socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a replacement alternator. Keep fasteners organized and photograph connections for reference. Work in a well-lit area and avoid forcing bolts to prevent stripping. Proceed calmly and methodically for best results. Start by relieving serpentine belt tension and slipping the belt off the alternator pulley with the proper tool. Unplug the electrical connector and remove the large power nut that secures the main cable. Support the alternator while removing mounting bolts so it does not fall. Check the bracket and surrounding wiring for damage or corrosion and clean connections before installing the new unit to ensure reliable charging performance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more repair content. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is perfect for keeping your car smelling fresh while you work and after a long day under the hood. Pick one up to enjoy a clean cabin scent during test drives and daily use. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new alternator carefully and hand thread mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment. Tighten bolts to the correct torque and reconnect the main power cable and electrical plug securely. Reinstall the serpentine belt, verifying the factory routing and appropriate tension. Reinstall any removed components like the battery or engine cover. Reconnect the negative battery cable and start the engine to verify charging voltage and listen for abnormal noises before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.